Hello and welcome to Pinkstones. My name is Philip and today we're going to talk about an air conditioning service. There are 3 reasons why you should have your air conditioning serviced. The first one is that your air conditioning unit uses a type of gas. This is what creates the cool air and the type of air that can demystify the windows. This eventually will run out, so having the service will top this up back to full. The second reason is that the air conditioning doesn't just provide the cool air in the summer months, but also in the winter months it provides dehumidified air which demists the windows within the car, which means you'll have better vision when driving. You won't create any smudge marks with the cloth on the windows, and this can happen during driving, so of course it's important to be able to demystify those windows effectively. And the third reason, a reason that isn't really thought about, is that there is a filter within the air conditioning unit which over time does fill up and get dirty. Now I have an example here of a filter. This is about 3 to 4 years old, I'm told. So this is obviously, as you can see, it's very dirty, and all the air that's going through the air conditioning unit will go through this. Now this is a new filter unit which will also get replaced within the service. As well as that, we will also use this air conditioning treatment which will go through all the inner works of the air conditioning unit and clean all of them out. If you can imagine, if you have had a cold, then all these bacteria and germs will stay within the air conditioning unit, not just in the filter but within the pipes as well. And this is not very good for passengers, especially ones who have allergies. So, and if you've bought a used car and you're not quite sure of the previous owner, this air conditioning service can obviously rectify all these problems. The great news is that the air conditioning service is available at the moment with a discounted price of $69.99. This of course will depend on the type of car that you have, the type of gas that it needs. You can check the price list on the link in the video to see how much it will cost to have your vehicle serviced with the air conditioning. You will also benefit from a free vehicle health check, which is a fantastic way to identify any problems that may occur in the near future, giving you peace of mind. Again, if you just follow that link above, all the information is there in terms of pricing and how you can book one at Pinkstones Toyota. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.